Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how can you create a YouTube channel, a logo for your YouTube channel, a description, and the banner for your channel. So let's get started. Just go to your open YouTube and go and click right here on your Google image will be displayed here. Just click on it, go to settings. Here you can see that add or manage your channels, so click on that. Now create a channel. Just type the name of your channel. I'm going to create a channel called Slider, so just check this box and hit create. It will take time. Okay, congratulations, you have created a channel. Now we want to customize our channel. Just go to click on the okay, now you are in YouTube Studios, where you can publish video and bunch of other stuff you can do here. So now first of all we have to customize our channel. Go to branding, and here you will upload the logo for your channel. Here you will upload the banner for your channel, and here you will upload the watermark picture, which will appear in your video at the bottom right side. So to create a logo, I'm going to use an online tool which is free. Go to canva.com. If you have not created an account on this website, just create an account. Then come here and create a design, custom design, 512 by 512. Now hit create a new design. Obviously I need a picture for a logo, so I'm going to go for this website, flight icon. Here you can get all kind of icons. So I'm looking for a bulb, so that's why I search here bulb. Just type bulb here, bulb, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you will get a bunch of bulbs. So why? Okay, bulb or bu. Okay. Oh, sorry, I was writing bulb. Bulb, bulb. Okay, there you go. As you can see that you will get like I'm getting around 60,000 bulb icons, and I want to pick one, so let's pick this one. Okay, let's pick this one. This will be the logo for my YouTube channel that I just created, and yeah, that's okay, this is it. This is the one. So download the PNG format, and free download, but you have to give an attribution. So I'm going to click on free download, copy this link to attribute the author of this icon, and that's it. I'm just going to paste it here for future references. Now go to Canva design. Here upload this image, just drag and drop from here to here. It will upload the image in a second. Okay, once you get the image, now just modify it according to your need. I'm just going to add a shadow. I'm going to decrease the size a little bit. I'm going to edit image. I'm going to add the shadow. Let's add backdrop. Okay, angle, curved, page lift, drop, glow. I think let's add a background color to black, or perfect, this one is perfect. And Let me try another shadow. Let me add the backdrop. Okay, this one is looking good as well. Let me go. Okay, backdrop. Let's add a little brightness to our image, contrast and saturation. Yeah, now it looks much better. I'm going to increase the size of our image a little bit, like that, but it's not in center, so this is the center of the image, I think so. Okay, let me. Okay, once you are done or satisfied with your logo, then hit share, go to downloads, just pick this one, PNG suggested. The size is perfect, and hit download button. So while it's downloading, I want to check out the banner for our YouTube. It's 2048 into 1152 dimension. So I'm going to create a new okay, I'm going to go to the main website, canva.com, and then I'm going to create a new design with the for our banner. So it's 2048 into 1152. So create a new design. Meanwhile, I'm going to upload this our logo here. Okay, let me upload this logo. This is the logo I want to upload. Okay, now hit done. Congratulations, your logo is just updated here. And now I want to upload the banner design. So this is our banner dimension. I'm going to add a color, background color, a little bit like gray, and just for the simplicity, I'm going to add the logo image here, maybe our new logo, because it has some brightnesses. So this will be our banner. I'm going to match the background color with the, okay, where is the eyedropper tool? This will be our background color. I'm going to hit share, download, and yep, download this banner. So come to YouTube and upload your banner here. Where is our banner? It's called Untitled. Just give me a second to upload the banner from my local drive. As you can see that viewable on the TV, view on the desktop, viewable on all devices. I think I have to like decrease the size of our logo so that it should display perfect on every devices. So I'm going to hit share, same thing, download PNG, and then download. Yes, it's downloaded. I'm going to come here, cancel this, upload a new file. Let me pick my file from the drive. Give me a second. Okay, here is the file. Now it's better, but still a little bit big. So yeah, that's good. Let's hit done. Now you have created the logo for your channel, the banner image, and you can add the video watermark as well. Just add the logo as it is. End of video, custom start of video, entire video. So I'm going to select end of the video. When the video ends, this logo will display here at the bottom right side. So yeah, that's it. Now come to the basic info. Name of the channel is called Slider, and the handle will be sliders2066. Let me get the only slider. Is it available? Okay, it's already taken. So since I have started this channel in 2023, so let's use 2023. Okay, this one is not even available. Let's use 24 or maybe 23. None of them is available. So just pick okay, this one is available. Nice. So it's slider hyphen. I want to add the language. Okay, channel translate. Okay. So you can also add the description, the title in, I think, no, only this, I think, description in other multiple languages, but we are not going to do that, so just I'm going to leave this. So here is your channel URL, and if you have social media accounts, you can add link to them as well. So currently I don't have, so I'm going to leave this section, and at last just enter your contact info. Here is a description for your channel. So I am not going to write it from my mind, but instead I'm going to use AI. Let's go to ChatGTP. If you do not know how to use this tool, I have created a video in which I have I showed how can you generate a title and description for your YouTube channel. So I'm going to hit login, and okay, what's happening here? I'm going to log in with the Google. So log in with this account. Let me add my password. Okay. Oh, I don't have mobile access to mobile right now, so just leave it right now. Okay, let me type the description here. This channel is about guiding general public to how to create YouTube video. I'm definitely going to change this whole description based on my channel. So for now, just I'm writing this thing. So when you completed all these steps for your channel, then just click on this publish button, and you have successfully set up your channel. So that's it for as you can see the logo here. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how can you create a simple content. I do have a content. I have one video. So in the next video, I'm showing you the preview of the content, and then the after that video, I'm going to tell you how can you create that content. That's it in this video. So thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video.